What could be under that thing? So guys, what do you think is under there? Let's find out. Ta-da! Alright, there it is. I got the motherboard in. I don't have the CPU, but I did want to go ahead and put the CPU block on because I want to see what they look like together. And I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Let's take a closer look at it. Alright guys, what do you think? I'm loving it. I love the motherboard. I love the silver accents. I think it goes awesome with the EK's nickel block. I think the cables that I got from Ensource are going to look fantastic in it. I can't wait to get the rads in and the fans and show you those. So I definitely like the way the colors match up. Obviously I don't have a CPU under the block, but I did want to put it in there so I could see what it would look like. And I think it looks awesome. Super excited about this build. I built a lot of custom PCs, but this one's got me really excited. I can't wait to get the rest of the parts in. Tomorrow I'm hoping to get that 6800 XT. I'll give you guys an update on that tomorrow. I think the next step I'm going to do is put the radiators in, see what they look like, and show you guys what fans I ended up choosing for those. But yeah guys, post down in the comments and let me know what you guys think of what I've gotten done so far. And if you think I chose the right block and the right motherboard. And I really love working in this case. The XL version is a little bit more room, but that makes all the difference in the world. It's such a nice case to work with. It looks super nice. Landly just really outdid themselves with this case. It's going to be really hard to up this one. But I love it. I can't wait to get it finished someday. But that's all I got for today, guys. I hope you like where I'm at. I hope you like what it looks like. Post down in the comments below and let me know. Stay safe, stay healthy. I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.